So heading to the garage now to have its MOT done. I don't know if you can see much on the camera, but my back brake is definitely seized, so that's probably going to fail on its MOT. If not, I might just need freeing off. I'm like literally getting off the accelerator and I almost come to a stop straight away. Feel it dragging. So yeah, I'm just going to go to MOT now. It's booked in for 10 o'clock, so it's 5 to 10 at the moment. So yeah, I'll let you know, guys, what the outcome is. So Golf said it's MOT, so I've got the broken near side front coil spring and the broken offside front coil spring. Wheel bearing is rough when rotated offside rear, and the windscreen wipers, which obviously are easy. So yeah, so that, to be honest, it's kind of everything that we thought was going to go wrong or needed, we were going to fail the MOT for, has failed. And now obviously the brake at the back is a bit grinding a little bit, so it has given an advisory. Also, like some various suspension components are slightly corroded, so I've got an advisory on that as well. So I'll get a wire brush on that and spray to paint them up, so that should help them as well. He has also some suspension arm pin or bush worn, but not resulting in excessive movement. Near side front lower and offside front lower, so that's not too bad. I can get that done probably for next year. But apart from that, the emissions were perfect, so that was no problem there. Just mute my phone. So yeah, not too bad. So we're going to get some service parts and get some coil springs and the wheel bearing, and I think we've got it booked in again. Well, it's not booked in, but I think we've got to have it done before the May 15th, because obviously we've got a bank holiday, so I've got a bit more time. Keep muting my phone, but it keeps ringing. So yeah, we'll see how we get on. So yeah, I'll see you next time on MOT by Brandon.